So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do, rather do.
Happy Vlogmas week 3. And yes, what you saw in the intro is this beauty right here. I found this beauty on Black Friday sale for such a good price, and right when I saw it, I fell in love. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to throw it on, which is what I'm gonna do for you guys right now. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks straight out of the box and on. Maybe finger curl it. It's giving me all type of vibes right now, sis. If you guys need to get one, go get you one, because there's going to be plenty of occasion for Christmas. Okay, so this wig, I believe I got it for about maybe $13 or $12. I don't quite remember. But I'm going to try to put in a picture for you guys with 3 websites. If I find it, with 3 websites that has the different pricing, that way you get options. But here it is. It is made by Outre. I think this is the model of it. It is the style of it. It's called Dawn. So if you're searching for it, just type Outre Quick Weave Dawn. It is a full cap wig with curly bangs. I love bangs. So, and it says that it can hold up to 400 Fahrenheit in heat. So if you're looking to put some iron on it. So the color that is shown on the package on the model is a BH950/425, just in case if you're wondering. But my color of choice is in the color number 2. And let's go ahead and throw it on so you can see. I'm gonna lower my bun since I already have braids to sit flat once I put the stuffing cap on top so that it doesn't have any locks.
Cries for you, so let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do, rather do.
Okay, so this is the wig, you guys. This is how it looks. And the inside construction of the wig comes with the usual 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it also includes this elastic. If the wig happens to be too big for the measurements of your head, then you can use this elastic. Okay, so we're gonna roll it on. Make sure the back, this part which is the back, make sure it's going in the same direction as the back of your head, if it makes sense. So basically, I'm gonna hold it like this and I'm gonna flip it on top of my head, like this, okay? Okay, so I got 1 clip down, which is the back clip. I'm gonna push my wig cap a little bit to the back. That way I can clip the front. Okay? So the way it feels on my head right now, it has a really nice grip. So I don't think I'll need to use the elastic.
This is how it looks. Straight out of the box. We'll have a final look. So in the meantime, this is it, guys. This is not goodbye, but see you later, darlings.